Hello and welcome to EzPz. Today we are going to take to all the party totally vegan Christmas tree. For this we will need toothpicks, pomegranate, kiwi, banana, star fruit, pears, orange, apple and a main ingredient pineapple. So let's start with cutting the head of the pineapple and cutting the sides. What we are going to do is we are going to make a base with this pineapple, and I have taken a pear. Take a little bit longish pears, and now this way our base is ready. I have cut and kept all the fruit ready so that I will instantly start the decoration. What I'm going to do is start the base with orange. Friends, you can also use strawberry because it's a red color and it will add a Christmas color to your tree. And then I have used kiwi to decorate the second layer of my tree. We'll just put it, you can use any fruit, whatever you like. Kiwi will add that green color to my tree. And then I have used banana for my third layer. As I said, you can use the brown grapes or any fruits you like. And for the fourth layer, I have used this star fruit. This is a very exotic fruit actually. And star fruit has a good health benefit. It's rich in vitamin A, B and C, and it's good for heart, and it helps in reducing cholesterol also. Upper layer to add the red color, I could not get strawberry, so I took apple and cut it in cube shapes and put it this way so that it will add a red color. And then again a green layer with the grapes, and then another green layer with kiwi, and the top is with the star. New wish upon a star. Here is my Christmas tree ready. Look at how beautiful it looks. So please, friend, now it's time to add the lights for my Christmas, and I have used pomegranate in the space which I had, and here it is, my beautiful Christmas tree with the light is ready. And please, friend, like, share and subscribe this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.